Now let's see how we can calculate the distance of a point from a line. Let's see how we can calculate the distance between two parallel lines. And let's see how you can find the area of a triangular region with with the coordinates of its corners being known to you. So if you have a point, let's say the point is P, and the coordinates of point P are x1 and y1, and you want to find the distance of this point from a line, let's say that line is L, and the general equation of that line is this, right? You can find out the distance d from the point to that line by using this formula, right? So ax1 plus by1 plus c, the modulus of whatever that results in, divided by the under root of a square plus b square. So basically what that means is that a is the coefficient of x in the equation of the line, x1 is the x value of point P, this b is the coefficient of y in the general equation of the line, and this y1 is the y value of the point P, and this c is the constant, the remaining constant of the general equation. And again, this is the same a of the general equation, and this is the same b of the general equation, right? So what simply you'll have to do is, once you get the value of ax1 plus by1 plus c, you just take its modulus. What that means is the absolute value, so it cannot be negative. So for example, if this entire thing results in -2, you'll take its modulus and it'll become 2, okay? And just divide it by under root a square plus b square, and you'll get the distance. And similarly, you can find out the distance between two parallel lines by just taking a point on one of the lines and calculating its distance from the other line, right? Just simple. I don't think there's really much to do about this. And now let's see what the area of a triangle is. So if you have a triangle, right, and its coordinates of its corners are given to you, right? So this is point P, point Q, and point R, right? And these are the coordinates of P, Q, and R respectively. Then all you need to do is use this formula, half of x1, which is this, y2, which is this, minus y3, which is this, right? And then add that to x2 into y3 minus y1, and add that into x3 into y1 minus y2. And that's really just it. I don't think there's really anything more to do about this. It's just a very simple formula, and just memorize it or it'll be given to you, and you can use that very easily to calculate the area of a triangle.